In this video, I'll show you how to change your Binance phone number. First, open the Binance app on your phone or go to the official Binance website and log into your account. Since your phone number is part of your account security, make sure you are using the real Binance platform before entering any login details. Once you are logged in, open your profile menu. On the mobile app, this is usually found by tapping the profile icon in the top left corner. On the website, click your profile icon near the top right corner. Next, go to Security or Account Security. This is where Binance keeps important settings like your password, two-factor authentication, email verification, authenticator app, passkeys, and phone number. Now look for phone number, SMS, authentication, or phone verification. Tap or click this option, then choose Change, Edit, or Remove and Replace, depending on what Binance shows on your screen. Before you can add the new number, Binance will ask you to complete security verification. You may need to enter a code from your current phone number, your email address, or your authenticator app. Enter the codes carefully and continue. After that, type in your new phone number. Make sure you select the correct country code first, then enter the phone number without extra spaces or symbols and check that every digit is correct. Binance will send a verification code to the new phone number. Enter the code on the screen to confirm that you have access to it. Once the code is accepted, review the change and confirm. Your Binance phone number should now be updated. Keep in mind that Binance may temporarily limit withdrawals after changing security settings. This is normal and is designed to help protect your funds. If you no longer have access to your old number, look for an option such as security verification, unavailable, or lost access to phone number. Binance may ask you to verify your identity again before allowing the number change. After the update is complete, check your security settings one more time. Make sure your email address, authenticator app, and anti-phishing code are active so your account stays protected. And that's how you change your Binance phone number. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.